Hi guys, welcome to the Google Cloud storage session. So we are going to discuss how we are going to upload a file into cloud storage bucket and how we are deleting that. So that these two operations we are trying with Node.js. Let's get into the session, guys. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to the Cloud 4 Academy Google Cloud Storage session. So we are going to create Google Cloud Storage, which is an object storage. It's an unstructured data can be stored, and we are going to upload a file into the bucket. We create a bucket in Google Storage, and then pushing the uploading the file into the bucket, and then deleting the file from the bucket. So that's what we are going to do using Node.js, right? So before that, we need to create a Google account using our Gmail ID, and then we'll log into that, and we'll get $300 free credit, right? Once we get into that Google console, we are going to create a project. So new project name I'm saying Cloud 4 Academy, Cloud 4 Academy hyphen cloud storage. I'm getting like storage, and then create it. Click create. It will be created. Okay, so to access the Google Cloud Storage, we need to create a API key from Node.js, because the API is to access, we need an API key is required, right? So we are going to create API key and then put it in Node.js code base, and then we can call it, right? So I created a project. I think project is created. Storage, click storage, and we are going to, here we are API key we have to create, right, to access the cloud storage. APIs and keys, click menu, API and keys, and credential, click credential. It will come here, and then create credential, service account. In the drop down, select service account. It will load. Give the name of the service account, API key service account cloud 4, and the same name we can give here as well. Create and continue. Role we have storage admin, and storage admin is there. Storage you have to search like that. Where is storage? Yeah, storage admin role. We have to select storage admin role and click continue, and then this we can done. Click done button. So service account will be created. This is a service account, right? In the bottom, this is a service account. So this is service account. This service account. So click service account, edit, and go here, edit button, and then we have to, sorry, not here exactly, service account. Click service account. After clicking service account, here permissions, logs is the right. Here clicks the keys. Yeah, here add API keys. This is one, add API key, create key. So key JSON and create it. So the key will be downloaded in our local system, right? And then we will store it in our code base, and we can use that, right? So key is stored, key is created. I'm just renaming into API keys hyphen cloud 4. I'm just store it, and then I'm just going to create a Google Cloud Storage. Cloud storage. This is a key, and cloud storage. Click cloud storage. Yeah, create, then create. Click create. So now name of the bucket, cloud 4 hyphen bucket, create bucket, continue, a multi-region, but whichever region we can create a multi-region, so replica can be done in multiple region, but I'm, since it's a demo, I'm selecting single region, east one, and continue, and then standard, I'm going for a standard tier. So archive tier means is kind of any logs, if you are accessing we can go for archive. So these standards based on our use cases we can select. I'm clicking standard, and then create it. Yeah, bucket is created. Okay, now I'm going to access this bucket, upload the files into the bucket, and then we are going to remove the file from the bucket. So so object storage, we can store the media files, PDF, images can be stored, right? It's unstructured data can be stored, as I said, right? I'm going to create Node.js application. So Node.js, I'm in this folder. So we need to install Node.js. It's a straightforward approach, and then we have come to install the Visual Studio, and then create. We can automatically the Node.js extension will be installed. Otherwise, you can install explicitly. I'm going to open the terminal. If you open the view terminal, going to view terminal, I opened it. So I'm currently in the Node.js Cloud 4 directory. So I'm going to create a new directory called cloud storage hyphen cloud 4 hyphen demo. So sorry, copy this folder. We need to use make mkdir given and stored. Now directory will be created, cloud storage demo. So this folder we created, and then first I will open this folder in the file folder. Open the folder cloud storage demo. Just open it. Yeah, I open it. Okay, I just close welcome file, and then yeah, I'm going to create views folder. I'm going to create views. So views folder, under views we are going to create a I'm going to create index.html or app.js. Let's say I'm going to create app.js. Create app.js views is a folder. Something we are creating as a folder. Under that we have to create new folder, views, and then new file. Going to create app.js. I'm going to, this content I already copied. These are the import statement. First I copied the import, and then I copied this is REST APIs. We are calling REST API views. We are generating the views for the public folder. Created the public folder, and then we are keeping the HTML files here. We are using template engine called EJS in Node.js, and body parser. These are the things we are using, and these are the import I have used, like JS body formatable. These are the import I have used, and upload is one of the API, REST API, and delete is API, and /1 API, right? These three API I created, and I'm going to copy the functions. First function is this is a function. So function name is upload file. When I'm calling upload file, is checking if it is post method, form is submitted, then it is doing this operation, form in form, and then file function calling file name, taking the file name for uploader directory, original name, and this directory of files are stored, and then file, and create a file write stream, and then these are the async call. Error means error it will display, finish means it will file has been uploaded, right? And parse dot request. So this is a code for upload a file, and then I'm going to call delete a file. Delete function is separate. I'm going to delete function. This is a function for delete. This is a function for delete file, taking the body request ID, and then passing the delete ID back for the bucket, passing the file ID, and then it will delete that file catch, and it will delete send response, it will be that. So these are the basic Node.js. And then function dot open, last final thing is function dot open index. It will render the index.html where we are upload file. It will open the upload HTML. So that's the reason we are using here index. And 30 listen the port number, right? And then now I'm going to create new folder called public, and I'm storing index.html, index.ejs. It has to store not HTML extension, index.ejs, because we are using EJS template engine, right? So that's the reason we are using EJS. This is HTML snippet. If I copy here and I'm putting this HTML snippet, just simple like upload file. We are using multi-file upload option, and then while uploading, this is action. Upload file is the post action. This will call this REST API, and then it will upload the directory REST API. This upload file service will get called, and then upload file method will get called here, and then it will upload that into the bucket cloud storage, right? And here if you see that API keys.json, so I'm going to copy the API key. So this is API key cloud for JSON. So this is a file to access the cloud storage, and I'm just copying here name of the things, and then copy and put in the directory. I'm just going NodeJS Academy, and then demo. I copied here. So if I copy here, you can check here, refresh. Yeah, API key cloud JSON. It can be stored in the cloud side, but I stored in the code base since it's a demo. And then once we done it, code base is done, and we have API code. API is imported, and this is a way to initialize the bucket and require the bucket dependency storage, cloud storage, and then key API key, and then bucket name. This is name of the bucket, and initialize the bucket, and then this bucket we are writing the file into the bucket and deleting the value in the bucket, right? Yeah, so I have completed. So now I'm going to start the Node.js. I'm going to open the view terminal. I'm just going to start. First we need to install all the packages, right? So these are the packages we have to install as part of this. One is cloud storage. We have to install it. So how we could install Node.js normal way, like npm install and then name of the package. So this is a module, so it will get installed, and then package.json file will be created. So it is created package.json. This is detailed dependency details. This is a detail one, and another dependency we have to install EJS. Otherwise it will throw the error, right? Dependency not found. npm install EJS is also getting installed, and then express we have to install. So one by one we can install, or you can just if I want EJS install. So one by one we can install, or you can copy the EJS install, or you can copy this extension like Express, Google Framework, everything you can copy. Function is not required. So these are the dependencies are required. I'm just / copy the dependency. These are the dependencies we need to be copied. Okay, dependencies are copied. Now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to run this Node.js application and putting the value in the bucket. So now if you see the bucket, there are no values in the bucket. If you see refresh, there are no values, right? I'm going to run this Node.js node, and then views /index app.js calling, so it's not running, so there is some issue. You can check views. Okay, views is correct. app.js AP listen server. No. Okay, now it's running. So what is the error? There is an error. Find module express tag. Cannot find my express is not installed properly. So maybe package.json is saved. Let me check why it's not coming. Yeah, still it's not coming. What is the error? The express mod is not installed. We need to install properly. So npm install express. I'm just installing that manually. Express is installed. Now clear. I'm going to call app.js. Yeah, so now it's calling after installing express. Express, as you know, is a mid layer function which is used to get request and response handling, request operation, response handling, and is redirection, the file path redirection action, and REST implementation can be done using REST API. And then I'm going here. I'm going to run 3000, right? I'm going to click here, http colon localhost 3000 slash. I'm entering. Not loading. We will see why it's not loading. 3000 JS. I'm just checking. I'll check that. Yeah, if I fix the issue is HTML file. Some CSS are applied, so which is not removed. So I just removed CSS. It's a plain HTML. So I'm just entering. So now I am giving 3000. I'm going to choose file to upload. Let's say I'm going to select this Cloud for Academy and upload. So this will upload the file. Yeah, it's uploaded. See, file has been uploaded. So if I want again, you can upload. I can show this 3000 file changes. Override it again. If you upload, it will upload. Yeah, file has been uploaded. You can go to close storage. Refresh. See, one file is low. See, this file is uploaded. If you see this, you can see, check this file. You can check this file. See, this is the files are uploaded, right? So this is the way we need to upload. If you want to upload another file, let's say I'm just going to check this. I'm going to select another file, barcode, upload. So this is also uploaded. If I go back packet, see, two files, barcode also is uploaded. Barcode. See, now if you want to delete these files, what I can do is I can just pass this image ID. I'm just going to Postman. I'm going to Postman. I am loading the Postman. So just copy that and delete it, because delete operation will happen on the post method. So that's why I'm just opening Postman, and then hitting the request. It will be deleted from the bucket, right? So yeah, it's loading, take some time. Yeah, so already the API is there. Localhost 300 delete file is API name. I'm just giving image ID is Cloud for Academy. I'm clicking that. So now file has been deleted. If I go and see that, it will be deleted. Now two files are there. Now Cloud for Academy will be deleted. See, deleted. If I want to delete barcode, you can delete the barcode. I'm going here, give the image name like this, and then select send. So deleted. If I see refresh, it will be deleted. See, it will be deleted. So this high level code changes. Just this is the code changes. So it's structure public. Under public, we have to put the HTML file, upload file, and view under views we are using app.js. This is of a delete file method. for deleting the files from the bucket, right? Yeah. So this is what we have to do. So in order to manipulate the cloud storage operations, what we need to do, first we have to create Google Cloud account, and then we have to create a projects, and then cloud storage account, cloud storage bucket we need to create based on the region, and then we have to create API keys to access that. Go to the API keys section, API keys, and then put it in a project folder, and then import it into a JSON file, API key JSON, and then try to upload a file or delete a file. It will happen. So this is how we can do that. Thank you for watching. We are looking forward to join Cloud for Academy.